Do you desire deeper connections with the people you care about most? Does it seem like nobody can work together? Do you have the same arguments on repeat? At Family Leadership Center, we are solving this problem. We equip individual families with the tools to build peace through our Circle and Family Meeting Kit, our podcast, and our online community. But our circle is bigger. We partner to spread connection to summer camps and community centers.
I highly recommend this to parents. I think that it really helps people build true communication skills with each other, and then a real understanding for each other, to be able to try to understand where someone's coming from and then have a sense of compassion for that.
This Giving Tuesday, your support ensures that everyone gets the chance to belong and build courage. We strongly believe that a peaceful world begins at home. Help us create a more peaceful world. Give today.